Take a spot along the river to catch a seafaring parade honoring first responders.
Yes, Ashley Williams, we're calling her Anchors Away. Ashley Williams has more on the Yacht Club opening day boat parade. Hey, Ashley.
Hi guys, good morning. This is probably the biggest day for the boating community. It's the perfect way to kick off the boating season, and it is the 69th annual event that they do here at the Sacramento Yacht Club. Kev, good morning.
Good morning.
It's really Kevin. We're just kind of, now we're friends.
Yep,
so
exactly.
we're just saying Kev.
That works.
Yeah, so before we show a few folks, show people at home how there are some of these boats out here. Tell us what's happening today and why you chose to go with honoring COVID responders for this year's theme.
Well, I'm a first responder, and I've seen what these families go through, and I've seen above and beyond how all the COVID responders have gone out of their way to help these individuals, and when their family can't be with them.
Yeah.
And it's really hard on the patients, but then the hospital workers, doctors, nurses, everybody just steps up to help them as much as they can.
Yeah, well, thank you so much for doing this today and honoring, again, COVID responders. With that said, I think we should go meet some of these boat owners. They worked hard, guys, to put some decorations together. So we're going to start with this boat. I think that Shockey and I both love the name of it. It's called Raw Love. I love that. This is Danielle, and your husband's name?
Jason.
Hi, Jason. Okay, so let's talk about some of the decorations and what you guys have planned for the day.
Just basically enjoying the day and giving our fleet blessings for a good cruising season.
I love that. So who do we have on board? Family, friends?
We have, well, they're all family here, of course, the boating community.
And you have a cocktail, you have coffee. When are you going to transition out of that coffee?
One waiting right there.
Oh, I got one right here. I'm ready to go.
Perfect. Well, enjoy the day. Be safe. Let's keep it going, guys. We're going to hop on over here. I won't jump on. I'll have you come to me just in case I trip. What's your name, sir?
John.
John, okay, tell me about your boat and, of course, the flags that you put up today.
Well, we just want to appreciate the nurses for one. I think they're underappreciated, and they mean so much to everybody in the hospitals, and just want to show appreciation to police and fire, and go out and put on a good parade for everybody starting the summer.
Yeah, and your boat is beautiful. What kind of boat are we looking at here?
Sunseeker.
Ooh. I like it.
So
it's
thank
sexy.
you.
It looks good. All right, guys, one more boat I want to show off. Look at this beauty. Oh, jump on in. Live television, guys. Live television. Look at this beauty here. Tell me your name.
Jerry Ann.
And John.
Oh, what kind of boat is this? And tell me about your decoration.
This is a 45-foot Chris Craft, and it's new to us. It's our first opening day parade, and we're christening the boat today.
Oh, wow. Congratulations. So when you christen a boat, what needs to happen on board?
Well, I think it has something to do with toasting it with champagne and giving it a rightful send-off with a blessing.
Absolutely. I like that. Thank you so much. Now, Kevin, if people want to catch the boat parade today, where will you be? How can they find you?
The best way to view the boat parade is coming through Old Sac. We'll be getting to Old Sac at about 12:30 to 12:45. If you're in one of the restaurants that have a nice deck, you'll have a great view. We're going up to the Virgin Sturgeon, and we're coming back. So anywhere along there, we leave here at 12, so 12:45 on, we'll be up in Old Sac and around the Sturgeon also.
Perfect. Kevin, thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, there you go. Happy kicking off the boating season day to you. All right, back on over to you guys.
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Ash.
Thank you.
Como Plant